Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the HP EliteBook X G2i 14 driver. So first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and after that you have to type mandatory this driver. Okay, and then this is first link support.hp.com, this official website. Okay, and just click on it. Okay, so this is your laptop again, you can see, and this is the model number. Okay, scroll down and select the operating system Windows 10, and then also select, and if you are using different versions it's okay, otherwise you can select only Windows 11, and after that click to submit. Slow down, extract network, and you can see W lane means Wi-Fi driver. Okay, Intel Wi-Fi driver, and this is download icon, so click to download. This is 15 MB, and after that it will start a downloading in the download box. And it is completed, then it will show like notifications, and click on it. Now this is your Wi-Fi installations window. Okay, and then click to next, select I accept, and then click to next, and this is installations location, so do not change, click to next. Now it is installing, and it will install within a second, and now you can see it is finished, and then need to restart your system, and then please check it. Thank you.